Hi guys, my name is Igor, and in this video I'm gonna share with you my favorite Shopify apps. Some of them I use regularly, some of them are a bit specific, but extremely handful in certain situations. For your convenience, I've divided them into categories, so that you can easily rewind the video to a specific timecode. But anyway, I highly recommend watching this video from the start to the end, not to miss any interesting apps. Let's get into it. The first app that I want to mention is Lucky Orange. It has a lot of useful features, but the main of them is the ability to record the user sections on your site. It allows you to analyze your customers' behavior and get new ideas on improving the store to increase conversions. For example, if someone left your site without making a purchase, you will be able to see exactly what they were doing before leaving and why they didn't purchase anything. It's incredibly valuable information that can help you avoid a lot of problems and stop losing customers. Other features of this app include a dashboard with real-time visitor statistics, conversion funnels, and live chat. So, there is a must-have Shopify application for every store owner, especially if you suspect that your current conversion rate isn't high enough. Good news, Lucky Orange has a 7-day free trial, and in most cases, that's enough to get your problem solved. Another great app that I recommend everyone to use is SEO Optimizer. Using this app you can improve SEO rankings in Google and Bing that helps you to drive free SEO traffic to your store. Of course, it's not so easy to rank high on the search engines from scratch in some niches. But be patient, and after a while you will be rewarded with recurring and high convertible traffic from this source. So why do I prefer exactly SEO Optimizer? The main feature of this app is that it runs SEO improvements automatically, which means you even don't need to have any experience in technical SEO to use it. These improvements contain auto-adding alt text to your images, meta text optimization, broken links checker, and other features. That's awesome for the newcomers and helps to save your time on the settings. This app is especially useful if you have a lot of products and don't want to waste your time on filling meta text for each of them. SEO Optimizer has a 7-day trial period, so you can try it for free. The next in the line is Privy, that is one of the best Shopify apps for email marketing. With this app, you will be able to create beautiful pop-ups with subscription forms and smart targeting that will help you to create your first email list extremely fast. Besides, you also can use them to offer discounts and make welcome messages. Privy also can send automated abandoned cart emails, which is another excellent and time-tested e-commerce marketing technique. This app has a 15-day trial, so you can try it first. But I'm sure you will love it, because even a small increase in conversions can make you a lot of money. By the way, if you don't realize the power of email marketing yet, I highly recommend you to watch my video about it. You will definitely be surprised how much money you can make just by collecting the email addresses of your customers or blog readers. As usual, you can find the link to this video in the description. Reconvert is my favorite upsell and cross-sell application. These two great e-commerce techniques can tremendously increase your income by a snap of a finger. With this application you will be able to optimize your thanks for the purchase message and add an upsell form to it. When a customer has already bought something from your store, it means that they like your products and perhaps they are ready to buy something else. So you shouldn't miss this chance and offer them another product with a special discount or products from the other categories. And Reconvert app will help you with this goal. That's a simple and powerful app that allows you to customize the thank you page with a drag and drop interface. It also has many unique and useful features such as a countdown timer, birthday collector, social sharing, post-purchase surveys and more. Moreover, if you have less than 50 purchases per month, you can use this app for free. Another great app that can additionally boost your sales is Aftership. With this application you will be able to create a branded tracking page where your customers can see the latest order status. The small shops often lack tracking functionality, and as a result, buyers become nervous and angry if their packages are delayed and they cannot track the delivery status. Do you want customers to be angry with you? Of course not. So, the best way to solve this problem is to use this app and create a beautiful and functional tracking page. Moreover, on this page customers will be able to see not only the tracking status, but also your other products, Instagram feed, promo codes and discounts, or anything else that you want to add. As you can see, the tracking page is not just a useful feature, but also another way to encourage customers to buy more, so you definitely should try this Shopify app. Let's move on to the dropshipping apps, and the first one is Overlow. It's the must-have application for every dropshipper, because it allows you to easily import products from AliExpress directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. This app also has in-depth product statistics that can help you find the best ones to sell right now. With Oberlo, you don't have to manually search and select products and import them one by one, saving you a huge amount of time. And this is a completely free app, which is very important for beginners in dropshipping who just want to try their hand. Oberlo has only one disadvantage, an inability to connect another dropshipping supplier except for AliExpress. But I don't think that is a big deal, because on AliExpress you can find any product from China. Furthermore, if you want to work with dropshipping suppliers from the United States, Europe, Canada or Australia, here is another excellent app, which is called Spocket. Like Oberlo, this app lets you find and add products from the best suppliers in just a few clicks. Of course, products that were made in the USA or Europe will bring you less profit, but shipping will be much faster, more reliable and easier, which means your customers will be much happier. And happy customers can quickly turn into the loyal ones. Besides, Spocket has an exciting feature that allows you to order product samples right from the dashboard in a few clicks. That's very handy, because you can see with your own eyes what you are going to sell. Also, Spocket has an extensive product database that makes the search process more convenient. Moreover, all of them already have a 30 to 60% discount off the retail price. That can be a huge advantage. So, if you are the beginner in dropshipping and looking where to start, I highly recommend you try both of these apps. When it comes to the best print-on-demand store apps, there are two contenders here, Printful and Printify. I specifically combined these two applications because they are very similar. Using any of these apps, you can customize shirts, hoodies, hats and whatever you want, then automatically sync and sell them right on your Shopify online store. So you don't have to worry about printing, stocking, shipping and tracking. The only thing you have to do is to make beautiful designs using a simple and very handy mockup generator. Since both of these services have fulfillment centers and print partners around the world, shipping to any country will be fast. Your customers will receive their orders in a package featuring your brand, which will look like you sent it yourself. Personally, I don't see much difference between these two applications, so it will be better if you try each and then decide which one to choose, especially since they are free to use. If you want to embed any Instagram feed to your Shopify store, then the InstaFeed app is what you need. I think that is a must-have app for any boutique or clothing store. When your customers share their photos with your clothes or other merchandise, it can have incredible marketing impact. These photos will be seen by all their friends and acquaintances, which will immediately attract new customers and increase your sales. When a new visitor lands on your site and sees an Instagram feed full of pictures of happy customers, it's solid social proof that you are selling great products. And don't forget to offer discounts for posting photos with your hashtag to encourage your customers to do so. Digital Downloads is an indispensable app for anyone looking to sell digital products online. It can be online courses, documents, media files, digital keys or something else. Shopify initially has been created for selling physical products, so it might be difficult to sell digital ones without this app. But if you install it, your customers will receive a download link immediately after the purchase. This application also has a feature that allows you to send updates of your digital products, so your customers will always have the latest version. That can be especially crucial for online course sellers. That's it for today, guys. In this video I tried to pick only the best and essential apps, and if you feel that I missed any vital app, please feel free to leave a comment about it. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day and see you the next time. Bye!